If you're in southeastern Australia, you will have noticed the humidity, and it's this tropical moisture that will drive rain and thunderstorms, particularly during the second half of this week. And we're anticipating issuing severe thunderstorm warnings every day this week across multiple states. Storms can be quite hit and miss, so it's important to keep an eye on the radar and for any warnings that are issued. Heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding will be the primary threat, but damaging winds and large hail are also possible. And we've already seen torrential rain and flooding through some parts of South Australia in recent days. It's all being caused by very humid tropical air being dragged down from the north, and there's plenty of water vapour for these storms to tap into. Another way to visualise humidity is look at the dew point, which is another measure of atmospheric moisture content. The dark colours indicate higher dew points, and that's when the environment is more saturated, which helps to explain why it's been so muggy across Adelaide, Melbourne and even Hobart. And these sorts of dew points aren't really typical of the southeast, they're more likely to be found in the tropics. Having a look at the computer model guidance, you can see showers and thunderstorms associated with a low pressure system and a series of troughs moving through towards the east coast as you head into the weekend. By having a closer day by day look, we can see that heading into Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms do become more widespread across Victoria, New South Wales and Tasmania. But the focus on Wednesday will be across the Victorian South Australian border. Here, storms are likely to be severe. Into Thursday, we see showers and storms push even further east. Again, severe thunderstorms are possible for New South Wales, Victoria and even Tasmania. On Friday, we see showers and storms push closer towards the east coast, including Sydney, and Melbourne is likely to have its wettest day of the outlook. And on Saturday, we see showers and storms push further into eastern New South Wales, but cooler breezes will help to ease those muggy conditions elsewhere, but unfortunately it will be quite short-lived with another run of warm and humid days to come from Sunday. Looking at the total forecast rainfall, you can see that most communities will see some rainfall, but there will be large variations in this, depending on where the storms form and just how they move. Under storms, you could see 50 to 100 millimetres, but just up the road, there could be very little or even none at all. So as the public holiday approaches and this wet and humid weather settles in, be sure to follow all advice from local emergency services, stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau website or app, and please stay safe.